Hello everybody, this is Bear Whittle here with Kenny Day at Day Brothers RV. Excited to highlight this business just simply for not just the RVs that they have here, but it's the work he does inside of our city limits. Him and his family has been exceptional about helping out in many aspects. We just had that concert and they provided an RV up there. And they do this a lot, and when the city is called on them, or the tourism, or different folks throughout our city, you know, Kenny and his team has been there for them. And it's just amazing to have businesses like this so close to our city or inside of our city limits. Kenny, when did you guys open Day Brothers up?
We've been here in this location probably since about 1995. Been selling RVs since about 2001, 2002. And been in this community for a long time though.
How many employees do you guys have over that time frame you had?
We have grown right now, I think up to 23, maybe 25 employees at this location.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And you guys are now started here, but you've expanded.
We've got another location in between Monticello and Somerset, Kentucky. And we've got a nice lot over there, and we're doing that over there now.
So you're one of those prime examples that the American dream is true.
Yeah.
You started a business, you go through the pains and suffering, and a lot of Jesus, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But you're here, and it's amazing to see folks like you that are from here that has built such a wonderful business.
Yeah.
And this part of these spotlights is to highlight people like you, and businesses like this that really deserve it. So employing that many people inside our county and city, it's tremendous, and we thank you guys for that. What are some of the brands of RVs that you guys carry here?
We sell we're a big used lot. We sell a lot of used motorized, and but we also got a lot of nice brands. This year we picked up Jayco, picked up Integra, but we sell Holly Rambler new, and a lot of different trailers, force driven, a lot of different trailers new, and we got a variety about anything that anybody wants here.
Awesome. And like, say that I was looking into wanting to get an RV, do I just show up to your lot?
Yeah, you can show up to the lot, of course, but we've got a website. You can go on my website or to either store, go to one website, shop either store, and be able to pick out and look, and the prices are on there, the payments are on there, then anything you want to look at is on my website. And service, we can service you, we do anything, we from top to bottom on any kind of RV, any kind of brand that you want on service department, or if you're buying.
In London, what we'll do is we'll link his website on with this when we post this, so you guys can check him out.
Okay.
You know, Kenny, some of the talks we've the city limits is coming down US 25 here, and I was excited to hear that you guys want small site annexations done on the roadway, that you guys want to be joining the city limits. And again, we're just grateful for your family, and we feel blessed to have a family that's in our community that is have the heart of a servant like you guys do. I've heard your name since I've been in office, and even before, of all the work that you are doing. Just briefly be able to tell the people, what is some of the things, I know you guys have been involved with booting on Main.
Yeah. We have business on Main. We do, I think about 3 different, we feed everybody up to park about 3 different times. We'll be over there in a few weeks at Levi, feeding everybody if everybody wants to come out and eat. And we'll be giving some door prizes away, but we also do the 4th of July. We do Town Center. And the London's been good to us. Laura County's been good to us. Kentucky's been good to us. And we just appreciate everybody for everything we get to do.
Awesome. Part of these spotlights for me, it's important that we shop local. And, we've preached this before I even got into office. But it's the way that we help individuals like Kenny and his family with their businesses. We buy here.
Yeah.
And because then the money, it's given back. He's spending that money here in this community. And not only that, he's donating it. He's donating it back. And he's the prime example, like so many of you out there that are taking their time and their effort to pour back into the community. And the money's not leaving here, or the love and the camaraderie that him and his family has showed over the years. It is truly an honor to be out here with you today. We were looking at this RV. It is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
And we just pick you in my office. We appreciate you. The city appreciates you. I know talking with some of the Tourism Commission, them guys are truly appreciative of what you guys do. So, you know, this is what this is about. This is what we want to do, is highlight folks like you, Kenny. And we just definitely thank you for your time. And if there's anything that we can ever do to assist you, reach out to me anytime.
Well, I appreciate that. We thank everybody. Everybody's worked hard, and we appreciate everything that they've done here in the city of London and Laurel County.
All right. London, that's it. Come and check Day Brothers out. Shop with them. They've got a lot of wonderful stuff here on the lot. I'm telling you, if I could use 5 RVs, they've got about 5 here where I would like to buy. Again, always thank you, London, for your support to our administration, and have a wonderful day.